Welcome to the PluTech channel. Today we have a topic to discuss about Qualcomm canceling the development kit and leaving the future of Windows in suspense. Don't miss the chance to join us and share your opinions with us. This year was a milestone for Windows integration on ARM-based devices, a goal that Microsoft and ARM chipmakers have been working hard to achieve for more than a decade. The launch of Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite and X Plus processors is at the heart of a new generation of Windows Copilot Plus PCs. These models promise to bring innovative AI capabilities and excellent battery life, while overcoming the application and hardware compatibility issues that plagued previous versions of Windows on ARM platforms. One of the first Copilot Plus PC models was a Qualcomm-developed desktop, a developer kit that retailed for $899. This product offered a more affordable option for developers and testers looking to explore the Copilot Plus ecosystem. 2 years earlier, Microsoft had released a similar kit based on ARM technology, signaling growing interest and investment in this segment. However, Qualcomm has decided to discontinue the development kit, issuing refunds to all those who had pre-ordered it. This information was confirmed by Jeff Geerling, a developer and YouTuber who had received the Snapdragon Dev Kit and, in his reviews, expressed a mediocre review of the product. Qualcomm issued a statement saying that despite the launch of over 30 PCs equipped with the Snapdragon X series, the developer kit did not meet its standards of excellence, leading to the decision to discontinue the product indefinitely. Qualcomm also clarified that any materials received by users would not need to be returned, allowing those who had obtained a dev kit to keep the product even without official support from the company. The unexpected cancellation of the kit marked the end of a rocky launch that had already faced delays since its scheduled June 18th ship date, according to reports from Geerling and other pre-orders. A recent message sent to pre-orderers revealed issues with the hardware. Qualcomm said the kit's built-in HDMI port would be replaced with a USB-C to HDMI dongle and offered a 10% discount as an apology for the change. Geerling's analysis of the device indicated that the removal of the HDMI port may have been a late decision, suggesting that the change could have contributed to the shipping delays. Additionally, the unit Geerling received was labeled not FCC approved for resale, a worrying sign for a product that should be available to consumers. With the dev kit discontinued, those interested in testing and developing on ARM platforms must now opt for the Copilot Plus laptops or tablets. However, these devices are priced significantly higher than the dev kit, which started at $899. Those looking for a Surface Pro tablet with 32 GB of RAM and a fully unlocked Snapdragon X Elite processor will see a price jump to $2,100, while some laptop options like the HP OmniBook X can be had for around $1,000 depending on available promotions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Your interactions mean a lot to us and help us grow. See you next time.